Hi, I'm Christian, product manager at Mahlkönig, and I'm going to show you the new Vario W for weight, because we're actually dosing by weight. We have the standard Vario, you might know, dosing by time, and now we have a new Vario W that doses by weight. So we have a new ground spin, and we have a little scale down here. So you have the ground spin on that scale, and you already see the weight going up and down. So I just tear that weight. We're at 0. And now I can set 3 different weights. Okay, let's start. That's the factory settings, 15, 30, 60 grams. And if you want to grind 15 grams, you have your grind adjustment here, coarse to fine, and coarser, finer. So that's the fine adjustment. This whole thing here is one step here. Alright, now I want to grind 15 grams. I have teared it. I just press start, and you see the weight going up. And it stops right at 15.1. There will never be 15.2, so it's really accurate 15.0. Okay, it's accurate to the 0.1 gram. So really accurate all the time again. One important thing, it only works for filter coffee. Alright, so it's really for the brew bar at home or for the brew bar in your shop, the perfect grinder. Yes, we still have the standard Vario, for which you have that portafilter holder that just slides in here, fits the portafilter, and you start grinding. Okay. But that's grinding by time, dosing by time, because there's no way of adjusting the portafilter to a scale like this. This doesn't really work.
My name is Mahlkönig. I'm the sales director for Europe, and I'm happy to introduce you to our brand new product, the Pro Espresso. So the difference to the existing model is that the timer is now not longer adjusted here with a second knob, but it comes with this little display here, where you can choose either a single shot or you want to have a double shot. And for calibration and for setting up, you use the barista mode. Yeah, you take the portafilter, and then you see that it will count up. You decide, oh, not enough yet, need a little bit more. You see 5.2, you say, ah, that's fine. Let's go to that and bring it to 5.2 and store. And that's how you calibrate it. Yeah. On top of that, you have setups like the counter. You can see how many single shots, how many double shots have been taken, how many barista modes, yeah, for example. And it's even possible to delete and to reset. Furthermore, you have lifetime. You see how many shots in general have been taken, how many single, double, etc. And you can set alarms. Yes, you can adjust after 1,000 shots. This is by default. The grinder needs to be cleaned, and after 600 kilos, let's say, the discs have to be renewed. Yeah, so up to you to set, and you can choose the language as well. And the price is below 1,000 euros. So we think this grinder, up to 150 shots a day, is perfect with it. If you grind more, then you should have a deeper look onto the K30. So once again, Mahlkönig, the sales director of Mahlkönig, and I'm happy to introduce you to our brand new RFID controlled grinder that makes sure that the roasters only have their coffee in the cup and no else coffee, so only theirs. Otherwise the grinder wouldn't work. Yeah, and it works like this. So the grinder normally gives the machinery to their customers and for free. And they expect, of course, on subscription basis that the coffee is taken by them. But sometimes it happens that the other coffee is ground and used. So to ensure that the quality in the cup is the perfect one, we have developed this. So as you can see, the grinder now doesn't work. Yeah. So if I take, for example, mocha coffee, yeah, I peel off a label, yeah, that comes with it, and put it here on the RFID antenna of the grinder. And so now the credit is about, let's say, 150 shots that might be needed for 1 kilo, and now it grinds. So once the credits have been used, you need to have to take, so this means the kilo is empty, and you need to take the next bag, peel off the label, and let's say renew the credits onto the grinder. And that's how you make sure that only your coffee is used.